Alright guys, I've been working on this video for a week. A lot of work. I jumped in head first into the body work. I was trying to go for the look, the old 850 Chevys. They had a Viking, which was the heavy haul semi-truck basically. And I got a little bit of that, but not enough. The entire front of those is wider, and it tapers back into the door, I believe. And that was the only usable piece I had from the other print. It had cracked in shipping, and I already had a clean split there, so that's what I went with. But we got a little bit wider stance out of it. It's still, the tires stick out about a 1/4 inch on each side. And yeah, so I went back with the army green. I tried to make a star template. The one I had was very childish looking, very silly looking. So I don't know, it came out pretty good. It's still very wet, so we're gonna have to leave this and wait and see. But I've got some plans for this. I'm digging the way this is sitting on the chassis. The right amount of the frame hangs out below. It's not too much, not too little. Looks very scale, and I think I'm going to try to make some kind of bed. I don't have a clue what yet. I do know I want to use wood for some of it. Not sure how much of it, but I think some aged wood like we did on the shop build will lend itself to this body pretty well. And I am thinking I'm going to steal a lot of stuff off of the Hummer body. I hate to, because everybody on Instagram wants to see the Hummer laid out on these 2.2 Vanquish wheels, but I don't know. I want to use the turret and machine gun for the top, and the mirrors and some of the lights and anything I can use to make this look more the part. But I don't know. That'll be next time. I'm gonna wrap this up because I feel like it's gonna have been a long video. These bodies are available from nightcrawlers3d.com if you're interested in them. Been working with him for several years now, and yeah, this body was supposed to be for the ramp truck, but if you remember, the ramp truck would not turn with that body on there. It was just too, oh, it won't go up high enough. There it is. The front was just too wide with those big wheels, and it wouldn't steer underneath this body. So I got put back in the bin and waited for something else, and I think we found the right chassis for the body. I still have the mesh in the grill. I just taped it off because it was glued in already. I didn't want to fight it to remove it. What else am I missing? Oh, I still have the grill. The Awesome Designs custom 3D printed kind of 50s style custom grill. I know it didn't really fit a military truck, but I like the way it looks. And this is, you know, this is all for fun. This is all just following the build. We'll see where it takes us. But I'm going to wrap it up. I appreciate y'all watching. Keep it scale. I'll see y'all in the next one.